As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Theta cost will hit $2 toward the finish of 2026 and afterward $3 toward the finish of 2034. Theta value forecast 2023 to 2024. Theta cost began in 2023 at 72 cents. Today Theta exchanged at $1.18. So the cost expanded by 64% from the very start of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.46. And the year-to-year change plus 103%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 24%. In 2023, we hope to see $1.33 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2024, the Theta cost will move to $1.47. In the final part, the cost would lose 5 cents and close the year at $1.42, which is plus 20% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later close to days and months. Monday, February 21 $1.18 Tuesday, February 21 $1.18 Wednesday, February 22 $1.18 Thursday, February 23 $1.18 Friday, February 24 $1.19 Saturday, February 25 $1.19 Sunday, February 26 $1.19 Monday, February 27 $1.19 March 15 $1.21 April 15 $1.24 May 15 $1.28 June 15 $1.31 July 15 $1.34 August 15 $1.36 Theta expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $1.42 to $2.43, which is up 71%. Theta will begin 2025 at $1.42, then, at that point, take off to $1.58 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1.72. That implies plus 46% from today. Theta forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $2.43 to $3.06, which is plus 26%. Theta will begin 2030 at $2.43, then, at that point, take off to $2.57 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $2.59. It is about plus 119% from today. Theta value expectation 2023 to 2024. Theta cost began in 2023 at 72 cents. Today Theta exchanged at $1.02. So the cost expanded by 42% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.16, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 14%. In 2023, we hope to see $1.06 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2024, the Theta cost will move to $1.17. In the final part, the cost would lose 4 cents and close the year at $1.13, which is plus 11% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $1.13 to $1.93, which is up 71%. Theta will begin 2025 at $1.13, then, at that point, take off to $1.26 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1.37. That implies plus 34% from today. Theta expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $1.93 to $2.45. Which is plus 27%. Theta will begin 2030 at $1.93, then take off to $2.05 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $2.07. It is about plus 103% from today. 1/15/2023 Theta value expectation 2023 to 2024. Theta cost began in 2023 at $0.7194. Today Theta exchanged at $0.9247. So the cost expanded by 29% from the very outset of the year. The determined Theta cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.07, and the year-to-year change plus 49%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 16%. In 2023, we hope to see $1.21 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2024, the Theta cost will move to $1.12. In the final part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at $1.12, which is plus 21% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $1.12 to $2.12, which is up 89%. Theta will begin 2025 at $1.12, then take off to $1.31 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1.51. That implies plus 63% from today. Theta forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $2.12 to $3.04, which is plus 43%. Theta will begin 2030 at $2.12, then, at that point, take off to $2.25 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $2.38. It is about plus 157% from today. 2023 Theta value expectation 2023 to 2024 Theta cost began in 2023 at $0.7194. Today Theta exchanged at $0.7202, so the cost diminished by 0% from the outset of the year. The determined Theta cost toward the finish of 2023 is 93 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 29%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 29%. In 2023, we hope to see $1.05 per 1 Theta. In the main portion of 2024, the Theta cost will move to 98 cents. In the last part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at 98 cents, which is plus 36% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecasts 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from 98 cents to $1.85, which is up 89%. Theta will begin 2025 at 98 cents. Then take off to $1.15 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $1.32. That implies plus 83% from today. Theta forecasts 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $1.85 to $2.66, which is plus 44%. Theta will begin 2030 at $1.85, then, at that point, take off to $1.96 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $2.07. It is about plus 187% from today. 12/15/2022 Theta value expectation 2022 to 2023 Theta cost began in 2022 at $4.7950. Today Theta exchanged at $0.8270, so the cost diminished by 83% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Theta cost toward the finish of 2022 is 92 cents, and the year-to-year change 81%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 11%. In the main portion of 2023, the Theta cost will move to 93 cents. In the final part, the cost would lose 3 cents and close the year at 90 cents, which is plus 9% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecasts 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from 90 cents to $1.56, which is up 73%.